Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Barbie and thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for all of my future videos. Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a super special crystal haul, and for this haul I will be showing you all of these gorgeous pieces that I got for my personal collection this month. There are some stunners, you guys, so get prepared. I shopped at all of my favorite crystal shops, including some new ones. So if you guys want to see what I got in this week's crystal haul, stay tuned and let's get on into the video. Alright guys, let's get this video started. I thought it would be really fun to light some sage at the beginning of this video. So we're gonna go ahead and light some sage from Bees Sage and Crystals just to cleanse the beginning of this video. It has been a very intense, sad, painful week, month, year, so I want to just light some sage so you guys can feel cleansed before we start this video today. Okay guys, I feel cleansed and ready to start this crystal haul. I got a great piece from a brand new seller that I will be introducing you guys today. So let's get started. So the first crystal today is a rare one, and it comes to us from a brand new shop called Flint's Vugs. So this is their business card. I stumbled upon them on Facebook and I saw that they had some gorgeous pieces of Larimar. So if you guys don't already know, Larimar is extremely beautiful and extremely rare. There is only one place in the world that Larimar is found, which is in the Dominican Republic, and there is only one pocket of it in the entire world. So that just shows how rare Larimar is. So this shop had actually some really low prices on Larimar, and they explained that they were able to get such inexpensive Larimar because they have a really great relationship with the supplier who they work with. So the first piece that I am going to be showing you today is a small chunk of raw Larimar. So here is the gorgeous piece of Larimar that I picked up. It is actually quite big. Usually when you get a piece this big, you could end up paying anywhere from $40 to $50, but let me show you guys what it looks like up close. So look at how gorgeous that is. So this has the signature Larimar pattern, and what I mean by that is almost this pool-like texture. When you look at the surface of a pool, you can kind of know what I'm talking about. It's this pattern right here on both sides, and that is the signature pattern of a genuine Larimar. And then this is what the backside looks like. So the pattern continues along here. And if you guys were able to see the price there, this piece was only $13. Now that is an extremely good price for Larimar. I've seen chunks like this sell for $40 or $50 elsewhere. So if you guys are trying to get your hands on some affordable Larimar, I highly recommend that you check out Flint's Vugs, because they have a lot of similar pieces around this size for anywhere between $14 to $20 for real, genuine Larimar. So the next shop I shopped with is one of my favorites that I've talked about before many times on this channel, which is Bees Sage and Crystals. So she does her live shows twice a month. It's usually alternating weeks, so a bi-weekly live show. So this time I actually only shopped her sale table, but I did get a really gorgeous piece. So let me show you guys what I picked up from Bees Sage and Crystals. So one of the first items that I actually picked up are these these lavender incense sticks. So if I go ahead and open one up, you'll see how cool they are. So that is what the lavender incense stick looks like. It's this really, really cool texture and it smells amazing. I picked up 5 of these lavender incense sticks and they were $1 each. So $5 for a little bundle of lavender incense sticks. So this is the crystal I picked up from her. I have not even opened it yet, so I'm so excited to open it with you guys and see what it looks like for the first time. So her stuff always comes in these cute little bags, so let's open it up. Okay guys, this is what I picked up from Bee's Sage and Crystals. This is a stalactite and it is really, really, really cool. I don't own one of these yet and I'm so excited to finally have one in my collection. So let me show you what this looks like up close. So look at how gorgeous this stalactite is. There's this beautiful light blue kind of milky coloring right here. There's this gorgeous section of inclusions right there, and you can see the banding going all the way around the edge. It is absolutely stunning. It kind of actually looks like a piece of steak now that I'm looking at it, but it's a beautiful piece. And then the crystals going all the way around the edge are absolutely beautiful. And this is what the back side looks like. It's just as beautiful as the front, and there you can see the price that I paid. So this piece was originally $40 and it was marked down to $28, and there are just all the crystal glimmers all the way around the edge. Just such a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. So the next set of crystals I picked up are from another one of my favorite shops called New York State of Mind. They are a smaller shop out of New York City, and they just decided to go full-time with their crystal business, which is so exciting for them. So I got some amazing pieces from them. So let me show you guys the pieces I picked up from New York State of Mind. So the first piece I picked up is this gorgeous little Bumblebee Jasper tower, but there's something a little bit special about it, so let me show you guys up close. So as you can see, this is a gorgeous little Bumblebee Jasper tower, but then when you turn it around, it has this super cool druzy cave, and it is just so unique. I just fell in love with this piece because it was so special and different from all the other Bumblebee Jaspers that I have seen, and Bumblebee Jasper is absolutely one of my favorite stones, so I just thought this little cutout made it so unique. So this little Bumblebee Jasper tower I believe was around $15, which is a great price for Bumblebee. Bumblebee is a very, very rare stone, just like Larimar, and it is extremely expensive to get your hands on. So if you guys are looking to pick up some affordable Bumblebee Jasper, I highly recommend checking out New York State of Mind because they have some really great miniature pieces like this that are under 20 bucks. So the next piece I picked up is another top polished piece, and this is another top polished pink amethyst point, and this one is super sparkly, so let me show you guys what it looks like up close. Okay, so this is what this pink amethyst looks like up close, but it is a gorgeous little piece. I can see the druzy just sparkling right there, and then as you move it around, it's just really beautiful, and it has a lot of personality for a little piece like this. And this pink amethyst piece was super affordable. I think I paid around $14 for this piece. So New York State of Mind has some really, really great prices if you guys are on a smaller crystal budget. I'd highly recommend checking them out because they are a smaller shop, so they're able to give some discounted prices for some of their crystals. So the next piece that I'm going to show you is such a stunning, stunning piece. And you guys, this one is so rare and typically one that is so expensive, and they were practically giving this crystal away for free. I mean, not really, but the price was so good on it, and I have been trying to get my hands on more of these crystals for the longest time. I don't think I've shown one of these for a long time on my crystal hauls. So let me show you guys the crystal that I'm talking about, because it's so gorgeous on another level. So this is a gorgeous piece of Rhodochrosite, and not only is it a piece of Rhodochrosite, but it has some stunning druzy on it, which I have never been able to find affordable Rhodochrosite with druzy for under 80 bucks. This is a really special piece. So let me show you guys what it looks like up close. I mean, I have no words for how beautiful this piece is. Look at the lines on this baby. Like, this is insane on another level. And then you can see that pocket of druzy, and there is a little bit of sparkle in there, but what a stunning piece. I saw this on their story and reached out to them and said, please, I need that piece. So they were able to put it on hold for me, and I was able to snag it up. So you can see on the back side it has some gorgeous raw inclusions right there mixed with the polish, and even the bottom of it, the sides of it, every piece of this crystal is stunning. Just stunning, you guys. And this is a huge chunk of Rhodochrosite. For some context, this is the other piece of Rhodochrosite that I was able to snag a while ago from Third Eye Tree, and this one doesn't have any druzy on it at all. And for this little tiny pyramid, I paid $43. But for this pretty big chunk of Rhodochrosite, you guys are not gonna believe the price. I only paid $35 for this. That is insane, you guys. You can go on Etsy right now and Google Rhodochrosite, and you will not find a piece this big for under $50. I mean, especially with the druzy that this one has, this was a hell of a deal. So really great prices from New York State of Mind. I'm not sure if they have any of these left, but I have requested that they get some more Rhodochrosite in the future, because this is one of my most favorite stones of all time. So next up is Secret Earth crystals. So I haven't actually shopped with them for quite a while now. There hasn't been anything that's been speaking to me, but this time around they had some really unique items that I've never seen them have before. So I definitely checked out their live show this past week, and it was crazy. There was a lot of amazing items. So let me show you guys what I got. One of the items actually isn't a crystal, but it is something really cool that I am so excited to open because I haven't looked at it yet. So let's open it up together and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's inside this box, so I'm so excited to open it and show you guys what it is. So let's go ahead and get it open. Oh my god, it's even more stunning in person. I mean, how beautiful is this? So before I show you guys up close, I just want to explain a little bit about these butterflies. Secret Earth Crystals was selling a bunch of these, and a lot of people were concerned that the butterflies were killed or harmed. That is not true. These butterflies are all sustainably and ethically sourced. They live on a butterfly farm in Peru where the conditions are perfect for these types of butterflies. So they live out their entire life. The butterflies are not hurt, they're not killed at any early stage of their life. I know a lot of people are concerned about that. I would 100% be concerned about that. These are beautiful, stunning creatures, and they should be living out a full life in a natural environment, which these butterflies do. So with that, let me show you guys how incredibly beautiful this butterfly is. So that is what it looks like up close. The colors on it are absolutely incredible, you guys. I mean, I have never seen a butterfly so beautiful in my entire life. And if you see on the bottom, that is its scientific name, which I am not going to try to pronounce. And the backside of these butterflies are just as gorgeous as the front, so I just wanted to show the backside of the wings of this gorgeous, gorgeous butterfly. And because these butterflies are given the utmost care, they are given a place to live out their entire life. The prices for these butterflies are very, very expensive. So the price of this gorgeous butterfly was $54, and I 100% think it was worth it. I will also be linking down below to Secret Earth Crystal's website so you can read more about how these butterflies are sustainably and ethically sourced. So the next item from Secret Earth Crystals is a crystal that I currently don't have in my collection, so I'm really, really excited. I've been trying to get my hands on one of these for a while, and I've just been waiting on the right one to come around, and it finally did with Secret Earth Crystals. So let me show you guys the crystal that I picked up. Okay, so it came in this little box, so you can tell it is a smaller crystal, but it is a gorgeous one. So this is the gorgeous spirit quartz that I picked up, and it is a lot bigger than I thought that it would be, and it's a beautiful cluster. So let me show you guys what it looks like up close. Here is what this spirit quartz looks like, and oh my goodness, this is so stunning. I cannot believe how beautiful this is. I mean, this is why I love spirit quartz. It is just so magical. So I went ahead and took it out of the box just so you guys can really, really see how stunning this crystal is. I mean, and this spirit quartz also was a little bit expensive. They did have some cheaper ones that were quite a bit smaller, and I was trying to claim those, but this one was $36, and now that I see it in person, I 100% think it was worth it. I will be definitely on the hunt for more spirit quartz because it's stunning. Okay guys, that is everything for today's crystal haul. So I hope you guys check out all the shops I mentioned today. I will link them in my description box down below so you can see which items I bought from which sellers in case you decide to shop with them. I love seeing you guys in the live shows, and if you guys enjoyed this week's crystal haul, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for all of my future videos. And if you guys like this week's crystal haul, next crystal haul is going to be insane. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.